Michael from Masseuse Massage Chairs. I've got the brand new Health Plus massage chair with me here, and this video is going to show you how to assemble it in a few really easy steps. So first of all, we need to remove the packaging. So I've got someone to help me, just that makes it a little bit easier. One out of the way. Okay, so now that we've got all the packaging away, to be honest, sometimes that takes longer than actually assembling the chair. We do like to over package our chairs so they arrive to you in premium condition, exactly how they've left the factory. So it's a pretty straightforward chair, this one. You can see on the top here, you've got your back cushion. You simply lift up the back of the chair till it clicks into place. Tuck in the cushion. So now I'm going to show you how to assemble the seat cushion and the rest of the chair. So the seat cushion just slots into position. You've got an air hose. Just need to push that in. Make sure you get it all the way on so that it doesn't slip off when it starts working. You've also got this male-female electrical plug that runs the hot stone massage. Tuck them away so they don't get crimped. Back underneath the chair. Moving this piece back. And you've got a Velcro piece here at the top of the foot unit. It tucks under the chair as well. And that is the seat assembly. And now we'll put together the shoulder airbags. So now we're going to move the cushion here. So we've got plenty of room. You can see these two black poles go into here. And then first of all, you actually connect the air hose. And then last but not least, you connect the screw in there. So first thing, air hose. You want to tuck the hose through the back hole in the leather. And then through there as well. Making sure the air hose is all the way on so that it doesn't pop off when it's being used. Now simply connect like so, and then there's another hole in the leather to connect the screw. I think it's done. And now you do the exact same thing to the other side. So that's it, a few simple steps and your brand new Health Plus is ready to go. Don't forget to plug in the cord at the back, switch it on, sit back and enjoy an amazing massage.